Looking for a job as a nanny, maid, or caregiver in the UAE or Bahrain? Welcome to Yaya. Yaya is a mobile app that connects you directly with families who are hiring. Yaya is not an agency. We don't assign you jobs or employ you. Instead, we give you two ways to find work. First, families can see your profile on the app and message you directly. Second, you can browse job posts from families and apply directly to the ones you want. Creating your profile on Yaya is completely free. No agency fees, no middleman. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to register, create a strong profile, and start connecting with families who are hiring. First, download Yaya from the App Store or Google Play. Look for the purple Yaya logo. Yaya is currently available to nannies and maids in the UAE and Bahrain. When you open the app, you'll land on Care Finder. This is where families browse all available nannies and maids. Once your profile is approved, you'll appear here for families to discover. Tap Jobs in the bottom menu. This is where families post their hiring needs. You can see new job opportunities every day and apply directly to the ones that match your experience. Both screens work together. Families can find you, or you can find them. But first, you need to register and get approved. To register, tap Settings in the bottom right corner. Then tap Register to start creating your profile. When asked to choose your profile type, select, I am a nanny, maid, or cleaner looking for work. Next, upload your profile photo. Use a clear, well-lit photo of yourself, smiling with no filters or sunglasses. Please do not upload photos with other people or children. This photo is the first thing families see. Profiles with clear, professional photos get significantly more messages. Take this seriously. Your photo matters. Next, record a 30 to 60-second video greeting. This is the most important part of your profile. Families want to see and hear you before they message you. Here's exactly what to say. First, introduce yourself. Your name, where you're from, how many years you've worked as a nanny or maid.
Hi, my name is Maria, and I've been working as a nanny for 6 years.
Next, talk about your work experience. Mention the types of families you've worked for, how many children you cared for and their ages, and the main duties you handled each day. Things like feeding, school runs, homework help, cooking, or cleaning. Then explain what kind of job you're looking for now. For example, live in or live out, full-time or part-time.
I've worked for British and Emirati families with 2 to 3 children, ages 2 to 8 years old. I handled school drop-offs and pickups, meal preparation, homework help, and light housework like tidying the children's rooms. I'm now looking for a full-time, live-out position with a family who has young children under 5. I'm currently on a visit visa and ready to start work immediately.
Film in a quiet place with good lighting. Speak clearly and smile. Families want to see your personality. If your video won't upload, the file is probably too large. Record a shorter video or lower the quality and try again. When you write your bio, make sure to list each job one by one and explain it clearly. Say where you worked, which city, when you worked there, and your main duties. The more specific you are, the easier it is for families to trust your profile. Always be honest. Don't add fake experience or upload someone else's CV. Families usually check during interviews, and incorrect information may lead to rejection or removal from the platform. Once you submit your profile, our team reviews it manually. Clear photos, a strong video, and detailed experience give you the best chance of approval. Most reviews take 24 to 48 hours. If anything is missing, we'll let you know so you can fix it and resubmit. Thanks for watching. Take a few minutes now to complete your profile. We're excited to have you join the Yaya family.